Hi, my name is ex7OlabisiK, and I'll be presenting my seventh exercise. So this is my string that I used for the exercise. This is my class, student class, and this is the main code. This is the image I used, the emoji, and this is my text file, and this is my design. So this is what we did in class. As you can see. And whenever you click on any one of them, it displays the message below. So from now on, I'm going to talk about what I did. I just put this smiley for decoration purpose, and also I put this button, so whenever you just click info, it just tells you you're viewing student information. Thank you.